channel Daniel Rindavin. 7 o'clock in the morning and I'm running to do some shopping. I try to be at Lidl the earliest how it's possible, just to do quick big shopping for next 2 weeks for me and come back home safely. Shopping in Lidl is done. I try to do this shopping as soon as possible to don't see any people there. Unfortunately, I wasn't only one person who decided to go to Lidl at 8 o'clock. Was around 15, but it's still shop. It's enough big to just make comfortable, fast and easy shopping. I bought a lot. I don't remember if I bought so many food in the last 20 years. But everything what I bought is actually products what I will prepare today at home and have for next 2, 3, 4 weeks even, because I want to do and I want to freeze, and after I can just take out from the freezer, just reheat and have ready dinner. That's what I like, that's what I do, because you know I'm just buying food for one day. I just buying one ready tray, I heat up, I'm eating, I'm putting in the bin. This time it's impossible, but I decide to just make my own stuff, and that's my secret plan. Also, this avoid me to go to any shops to get any contact with any people, you know, in bacteria, and I think that's the best, the most safe thing ever. I put already my all stuff to my apartment, and now I need to take out everything, put to the fridge, separate, select and start cooking. And after cooking I'm going for mountain walk probably, because I really love the Wicklow mountain. It's very close to me and also it's nobody there. I think will be the best way, but now definitely I need to focus on cooking. It's still very early, it's not even 9 o'clock. I can just, you know, start preparing. Yeah, that's my plan. And I don't want to show you what I'm cooking because it's a lot, and I just want to boost this as soon as possible. I don't want, you know, will be messy, bugs everywhere and beans everywhere, because you know, to open the all bags, the all vegetables, everything is covered with bugs. I don't really like it. I need to take out, put to my own container, glass container or no container, you know, separate, clean. That will be lots to do, but I do few short videos just to show you what I'm cooking, what I'm doing, and later we just enjoying the mountain walk. I can't wait. I need fresh air and it's beautiful sunny day again, but I really want to focus on this what I bought. I didn't bought anything with this short term. I have a milk, but milk is for 3 weeks, and I have eggs, and I think eggs is until 24th of April. That means it's fine. But for sure on my channel from probably tomorrow will be lots of cooking. Maybe not whole process of cooking, because part of those what I have planned to do today will be ready. Like I want to fry lots of onion and have ready. I want to do some dumplings. I want to do some lasagna probably. Some small components will be ready and freeze, and my dinner for tomorrow, for example, will be dumplings with a fried onion. I just do quick salad or maybe salsa or something, and the dinner is ready. Or I have a chicken breast. I bought lots of chicken breast. I will be breadcrumb and baked in the oven, and after I will cool down and freeze. And if I need for dinner, I just take out one chicken breast, I will cut, I put the rice, you know, everything done. Very, very nice and easy. That's what actually I did when I did gym regular, because I have a food ready in a container, and that worked for me very well, and I will do the same now. Okay, enough chatting. Jesus, almost 4 minutes. Yeah, 4 minutes. I'm going to fight in the kitchen with all the stuff what I bought, and see you later. Okay, I'm ready. It's 4 o'clock. Jesus, I spent 6, 7 hours to cooking and cleaning, and now it's very cloudy. Actually, it's very dark. I don't know why. I'm on the way to the mountain, Wicklow Mountain, but just I need to check my how it's calling. Well, because I think I have a less air on the left hand side, and I just have information on the desktop. I just need to check it, and we're going to Wicklow Mountain. Guys, I cook a lot, and wow, just I'm impressed because I did a lot, really a lot, and I'm really happy with that. And I deserve to go now for really nice mountain walk. And weather's supposed to be fine because it's actually blue sky everywhere and sunny. Just on this spot, it's huge black cloud. Hopefully, it will be not raining. Yeah, I need to check. I need to check this level of air inside. That's the most important thing. But what I did a lot. First of all, how I told you before, I prepare lots of my stuff, what I bought already, for freezing, to have everything ready after. And I fry lots of onion, actually 4 Spanish onion, to have an onion fried ready with oil. If I want to warm up something, I just need to put some, for example, dumplings. I need to put these dumplings on the pan with ready fried onion. Just 1 minute, everything is done. And onion is crunchy and sweet, because if you want to make onion sweet, you need to spend a little more time, put some water, wait to evaporate, blah blah blah. Doesn't matter. I fry all my mushrooms, and half of them I blend and half of them I slice, because I need one for maybe lasagna, maybe some pizza, but I want this ready, and one will be part of the maybe dumplings, maybe croquettes. I'm not sure yet, but it's done. If I keep this all mushroom in the fridge, after 2-3 days they will be dark and I cannot do nothing. They are already done for me. I did some dumplings, and 2 or 3 types of different dumplings. I did bolognese. I just don't know will be for lasagna or for pasta bolognese. Maybe half and half, we will see. The most important is done, because you need good few hours to cook this properly. Lots of things done, and I prepare everything, and I clean all kitchen. I put the rubbish bin outside. Was lots of foil and containers, because now everything is packed. Like courgettes have a foil is on the plastic box, and everything have another foil. I don't know why so many, but probably some reason. And also lots of stuff it's already packed and prepared, because nobody can touch anything. All bread roll, stuff like that, everything is like that. Yeah, it's done. Its kitchen looks spotless, and I'm super happy. Everything is done. I cooked some rice and wild rice, and I mixed together. I did a lot of chicken breast with the breadcrumbs. Everything is baked, everything is freeze. I cut some chicken for small pieces, and some beef. Everything what I bought, it's ready, prepared, and I don't need to focus on this anymore. I'm super happy with that. Yeah, really well done, really great job for next few weeks for sure. Now my life will be back to normal. Everything will be easy. Just grab stuff, reheat, and have ready. I'm really happy with that. Now I really deserve for nice, beautiful walk in the Wicklow Mountain. I'm just worried about the weather because it's really dark now. But actually, I see the blue sky all over. Just where I am right now, it's just dark. It's super dark. Hopefully just for the second. Okay, let's check my level of oxygen, and let's go to the mountain. another day of quarantine, and I'm on the Wicklow mountain with absolutely stunning weather. It's 16 degrees, I'm just in the shorts. It's beautiful, fabulous weather, and I'm enjoying sun and silence and peace and quiet in Wicklow Mountains. Absolutely stunning view. Actually, I feel like I'm on Lanzarote right now. Just, it's very dirty here. I'm really surprised. It's so many rubbish everywhere. Actually, wherever you stop, it's rubbish. That's really bad sign about the people who coming and visiting mountain, because they cannot care about this, what belongs to all of us. But what we can do? I'm enjoying the sun as the most beautiful part of my day today. I feel like it's summer finally. I think first really warm day from quite a long time, because it's no wind at all. We can feel the sun and weather. Pity I don't have a chair with me. See, I supposed to have a beach chair every time with me, because now I can lie down here and I can just stand, and it's so peaceful. Just actually I'm screaming I'm screaming around, but so nice. Tomorrow definitely I need to come a little early and just grab the same spot or some spots here, because it's very quiet and it's really nice. On the way to Salligap was quite busy today. Actually all the car parks and place to stop the car was already busy because somebody stopped there. But now on the way to Glendalough from the Salligap, actually it's very quiet. Love it. I found new area with lots of baby trees. I don't know what's happened here, but probably something destroyed this big part of tree, because all the trees are dead, they are dry, and they try to put fresh one, new one, and a lot of these gray sticks here have inside already some tree plant. Very good idea, because lots of animals will eating and damage the small baby trees, and this is kind of protection. Really good idea. But even right now this part looks really impressed. Today my shoes from Salomon, perfect for hiking, very strong, very stable, perfect for walking, mountain walk, street walk. Oh, we have some motorcycles again, will be very loud in a second. Done. Was very loud. Yeah, absolutely stunning for driving. When I finish this mountain walk. I will change my shoes for this what I showed you yesterday, because they are super comfortable. Marel, absolutely stunning. If you didn't see, please check my video from yesterday. But today, one and only Salomon for mountain.